Hello students, today we are going to take our value education lesson number 9 and we will study about our country India. Today we will learn small things about our country India, and that is very important that we should know small little things about our country. So here we have 4 people, as you all can see 4 people are here. So we will be studying about from where they are, what language they speak. Okay, so the first one, I am Tanushri Agarkar from Maharashtra. I speak Marathi. I am an Indian. I love my country India. So Tanushri is from Maharashtra. Maharashtra is a state and her language is Marathi. Now we'll look at the second boy. I am Gurdeep Singh from Punjab. I speak Punjabi. I am an Indian. I love my country India. Now Punjab is also a state and Punjabi is a language. 2 different people from different state and in same country. They live in the same country but from different state. Now let's look at the third one, that is I am Anjali from Kerala. I speak Malayalam. I am an Indian. I love my country India. Now the fourth one, I am Debojit Mukherjee from Kolkata. I speak Bengali. I am an Indian. I love my country India. Now the first one is from Maharashtra, second one from Punjab, and the third one from Kerala, and fourth is from Kolkata. Now Kolkata is the capital state of Bengal. Okay, it is the capital city of Bengal. Now we have 4 different people and from different states, from different cities, different language, but in the same country, that is India, and they all love their country India like we all love our country. Yes, so they also love their country India. All the people who live in India are called as Indians. So we all living in India, we are called as Indians. Okay, now we will move on to the next page. India is a vast country. India is a very big country because we have many states. So India is a vast country. The capital of India is New Delhi. Okay, the capital of India is New Delhi. It has many different cultures and religions. So we have different cultures, like if you are a Punjabi, you have a different culture, a dance, singing, you have different types of singing. Okay, and religion is what? Hindu, Muslim, Christian, that is religion. Okay, there are high mountains, rivers, and many deep forests in our country. Now whenever if you have gone for vacations, for a trip, you might have seen in Shimla and many other Ooty, you can see mountains, right? You will be able to see mountains, and in the like traveling, you can also see rivers. There are many rivers and forests around. So these are the mainly common things that you will be able to see in India. There are many beautiful historical monuments in India, like the Taj Mahal, the Qutub Minar, the Red Fort, the Charminar, and the India Gate. Okay, India Gate, Gateway of India, that is. Okay, so these are the monuments made by the ancient people. That is the before we had Raja Rani. Okay, now we have president. That time we had the rule of Raja Rani. Okay, kings and queens. So that time these things were made. So that's why it is called monuments. Now about the flag we will study. Our national flag has 3 colors. Now this is very important for everybody to remember. These things we should not forget. 3 colors, that is saffron, white and green. In this pattern only the flag is. Okay, first is saffron, white and green. This is 3 colors that we have in our flag. That's why it is called the tricolor, and in Hindi you will say as Tiranga. Now it has a blue wheel, that is chakra. Okay, in the middle, जहाँ पे white color होता है उसी पे blue color का wheel होता है बीच में, that is known as chakra. Now other important things are our national anthem, that is Jan Gan Man. Now whenever we sing the national anthem, we have to be in attention position. That is because we give respect to the national flag. Whenever we are singing, we should not sit or lay down. Every time we have to be in attention position. Our national animal is tiger. Our national bird is peacock. Our national flower is lotus. Okay, you have to remember these small important things about your country. Now moral of the value: India is our motherland. We are proud to be Indians, right? We all are proud to be Indians, है ना? I am also very proud that I am Indian. Okay, so these small important things you have to learn and remember. Always keep in mind your national flag, capital of India, national anthem, national bird, national flower, everything. These small important things you have to keep in mind. Okay, read the chapter and try doing the exercises also.